Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Today we'll learn Can't Get Enough. The first steps are really simple, are step, step, step. With that we'll be adding the hips, 1, 2, 3, and hands, 1, 2, 3. So step, 1, 2, 3. After that we'll be adding shoulders, 3, 4, and head, 1, 2, 3. Alrighty, so we'll be starting doing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Jump, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's my cat Harry. Alrighty, so after that, after the last movement of shoulders, we'll be proceeding a bounce. 1, 2, 3, 4, shoulders, and touch your chest. So 1, 2, 3, 4, shoulder, touch chest, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Going to the other side, 5, 6, 7, 8. So after this, we'll be doing the movement of tic-tac, which is 1, 2, 3, arm up, and we'll be starting like a mark with this hand. So step, 2, 3, 4, up, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4. So as you notice, 1, 2, 3, 4, and after that you'll be doing the same step without the hands, without the shoulders, without the arms. Alrighty. So after this, we'll do. So it comes the part that says, "I'm still in love with you, boy." So we'll be doing hip with hand, 1 step, 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 and 2 step, step, 3 step, 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 and 4 step, step. Now it will begin doing a step, which is like flying. 2, 3, 4. I'm doing this because you got like a force from here in order to proceed doing the arm. So, and this is like jumping. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Ready? After that, we'll be doing arm, 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 4. Alrighty, so that's simple. Step, step, 1, 2. Step, step, 1, 2. That's crossing arms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. After that, we'll be doing once more the same step. 1, 2, 3. And finally, we'll be doing step, 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 2, 4. And that's it. Here you'll see the choreo in slow motion. That's everything. Thank you for watching the video. Subscribe and like it and share it. Bye!